Today I want to take you a little bit more in depth about how to use the Curl system to get amazing transformations like this. First, it's snag-free. This is a pre-shampoo detangler that you put on wet hair. After lightly rinsing, we get onto our hooked shampoo. This is 100% clean with root locking technology. Maybe you have to give the hair 1, 2, or even 3 washes until you get a rich lather. Then it's the Coca Motion. This is a deep hydrating conditioner with a Profaxil-18 moisturizing technology. Then flo-etry. This mimics the hair's natural sebum. Make sure you use a lot per section after leaving the hair dripping wet after the shampoo process. Really push it through and then squeegee it with your fingers to really flatten down that cuticle. After working through the whole hair, we then get onto our shook. This is moisturizing and also our bundling spray, which helps to give the hair some definition. Listen for the squelch, guys. Squeeze those curls back into shape and then start to diffuse. High heat, low speed, and just gently moving the hair from side to side. This helps to get some body going in the root, and then stand up your client. And again, gently just keep moving the hair. And after drying, we loosen it up a little bit and then look at these results. They are bundled, hydrated, not sticky, no cast, no crunchiness whatsoever. This is a fantastic system for getting you the most incredible results. We love it and we hope you do too.